In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Zillow account, 2026 guide. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting your Zillow account is permanent. This removes your saved homes, search history, and personalized preferences, and once the process is complete, you won't be able to recover them. If there's anything you might want later, take a moment to review it now so you're confident about moving forward. Start by heading to Zillow.com and signing in with your usual credentials. Make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you've used more than one email address on the site. A simple way to double check is to glance at your profile area after logging in and confirm the email or profile details match the account you want to close. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you to your main settings hub. Scroll through until you see either Privacy Settings or Account Management. The exact label can vary, but it will be the section that controls your data and account preferences. If you're on a smaller screen, you may need to open a menu or expand a section to find it. Within that privacy or management area, locate the option labeled Delete Account or Close Account and select it. Zillow will ask you to verify your identity to protect your information. You may be prompted to re-enter your password, or you might receive a quick email verification link. Complete the prompt you're given and return to the page to continue. You'll then see a clear warning explaining that this is a permanent action. Take a moment to read it so you're comfortable with what will be removed. When you're ready, confirm that you want to proceed and submit the request. At this point, Zillow begins deactivation and data removal behind the scenes. You won't be able to access the account during this process, and the content tied to it will be scheduled for removal. After submitting, check your email inbox for a message from Zillow. This confirmation will typically state that your deletion is in progress or complete. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and check your spam or promotions folder. It's normal for your profile and preferences to take a short time to fully disappear from affiliated search results and marketing lists as the systems sync. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll close your Zillow account securely and with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.